Welcome to Brainwave.
Hello everyone and welcome to this deep dive into generative artificial intelligence. I am Hirundul Hara, your guide into the world of AI creation.
And I'm Devindi Madhushani. Today we are going beyond just definition. We are exploring the impact, potential, fun, and challenges of AI that can generate content.
Some of you might think AI isn't that just for tech geeks? Well, Gen AI is already part of your life, whether you notice it or not.
Exactly. From your social media filters to auto generated captions, from helping students learn to creating art, AI. AI is quietly shaping everything around us.
So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's take journey through the world of Gen AI with stories, example, and maybe a few surprises along the way. Let's start at square one. Generative AI is AI that creates things from scratch.
Right, it's different from your typical AI like Google Maps, which just gives answers. Generative AI generates content, text, images, videos, music, even entire software programs.
Imagine an AI write a poem in your favorite style or making a new song based on your mood. That's the power of generative AI.
Or picture this. You describe a fantasy character. Purple hair, robot wings, a forest background, and AI paints it perfectly in seconds. That's creation made fast.
And the way it does this is by learning patterns. Think of it like super advanced student. It reads everything able online and patterns until it can imitate and innovate.
So, in a way, generative AI is like a creative apprentice, learning from humans to make new things humans haven't even imagined yet.
Honestly, sometimes I feel like AI is sneaking into art galleries before we even notice.
Time to peek behind the curtain. Don't worry, we won't drown you in math.
Generative AI use something called neural networks inspired by the human brain. They have layers of neurons that process information.
Okay, it learns patterns in data, billions of examples of text, images, audios, and predicts what comes next. That's how it can write a story, paint a picture, or even compose a song.
Here, for an example, you type a dragon reading a newspaper on the moon and AI generates it. Why? Because it has seen dragons, newspapers, moons, and it know how to combine concept in visual convincing way.
And all of this happens in milliseconds. It feels magical, but it's really math and probability.
Some people worry AI might think like humans, but that's not true. It predicts patterns, it doesn't have consensus or feelings.
Exactly. It's like a really talented mimic that never gets tired, never forgets, and never complains.
So, there are so many type of generative AI. Let's break them down one by one.
Type 1, text generators like ChatGPT. These can write essays, emails, scripts, or even jokes.
Type 2, image generators like DALL-E, Midjourney. Describe it and boom, an image appears.
Type 3, video generators. Some AI can create short animations or videos just from your description. Imagine creating a mini move in minutes instead of months.
Type 4, audio and voice generators. Singers, podcasters, and musicians are using AI to compose music, imitate voice, or make sound effects.
And type 5, code generators. Programmers can explain an idea in simple language, and AI can produce functioning code in seconds.
Even industries like fashion and architectures are experiments in with AI designs from virtual clothes to branding layouts. AI is become a co-creator. So, how is Gen AI being used today?
In education, AI helps students understand concepts, summarize lessons, and even practice languages.
In healthcare, AI help detect disease earlier, assist in research, and even suggest treatments plans.
Business use AI for customer support, reports, content creation, and data analysis.
And in entertainment, AI is help create music video, short films, and even virtual influencers, people who don't actually exist.
And don't forget your phone. Predictive text, smart replies, photo filters. That's AI in action, quietly assisting you every day.
Fun fact, AI has even co-written books and songs that have topped charts in some countries.
Schools are charging fast. Students use AI for homework, project ideas, presentations, and explanations.
Teachers now encourage using AI responsibly. It a tool, not a shortcut.
For example, explaining complex lessons, summarizing long text, practicing languages, brainstorming creative ideas, preparing for exams.
But one important point, copying directly from AI doesn't help learning. Think of AI as a study partner rather than a replacement for thinking.
Exactly. And honestly, it can make learning fun. You can ask AI to explain algebra with pizza slices or history with memes. Creativity in endless.
Let's talk about the peaks. Why should people embrace AI?
1. Speed. It saves time on repetitive tasks.
2. Creativity. AI help people generate new ideas or combine existing ideas in innovative ways.
3. Accessibility. It allows people with disabilities to participate in creative work more easily.
And 4. Education. Student can get personalized explanation tailored to their learning styles, right?
Basically, AI can amplify human potential if used wisely.
Here's some AI trivia. One AI model has more neural connects than the human brain.
Some AI generated artworks has won competitions without a human hand at all.
AI has written a full movie script in less than a minute.
And it can clone voices so perfectly that famous singers are sometimes spooked.
Yeah. And AI can also invent fictional language, generate memes, and even design video games in hours instead of years.
Now, let's be serious. AI isn't all fun and games. There are risks.
Next one, misinformation. AI can produce fake but believable news or contents.
Risk 2, bias. AI reflects the biases in the data it learns from.
Risk 3, deep fakes. Realistic fake videos or like and fake voices that can mislead people.
Risk 4, privacy. AI uses large amounts of data, sometimes personal, to learn and improve.
So, the key responsible usage, verify information, respect privacy, and question results.
Uh, and remember, AI doesn't have ethics. Humans must guide it. Many people worry, will AI take away jobs?
It won't replace humans entirely, it replaces tasks, not people, right?
Plus, it creates new careers. AI trainers, prompt engineers, ethics officers, robot operators, content reviewers.
Yeah, and soft skill, creativity, empathy, decision making are more important than ever.
Yeah. Think of it as a co-pilot. AI handles repetitive or data heavy tasks. Humans focus on strategy and creativity.
Who owns content created by AI? The user, the AI creator, or no one?
Yeah. Should AI be allowed to imitate an artist? If a painting looks like a Picasso, it is plagiarism.
And what if AI become too advanced? Could it make a decision without human oversight?
Yeah. This is a big question. Right now, governments and companions are still figuring it out. Ethics is as important as technology.
Here thought experiment. If AI write hit song, who gets royalties? And uh, the AI, the programmer or the user? Who?
Yeah, exactly. And as AI becomes more integrated, society will have to answer these questions.
In 10 years, AI may be a daily companion. AI teachers, AI doctors, even AI friends.
Movies, music, games, and books could be fully AI generated.
Yeah, and school may use AI to give personally learning, track progress, and suggest improvements for each students.
Yeah, and workplaces might have AI assistants for almost everything scheduling, research, reports, even presentations. Question 1. Will AI replace teachers?
No, AI is assistant, not a replacement. Teachers force on guidance, empathy, and judgment, things AI can't replace. And question 2, can AI think?
It processes patterns and makes predictions. It doesn't have emotions, self awareness, or conscience. Question 3. Is AI dangerous?
Only in misused. Will rules and ethical frameworks, AI is safe. So, question 4, can AI be creative?
Yes, but it mimics patterns it has learned. Human creativity adds contents, cultures, and emotions AI can't fully replicate. Replicate.
Okay. And
Question 5. Will AI take over creative jobs?
it may assist, speed up process and or inspire ideas, but human will always guide vision and meaning.
Okay.
The next question is, how can a student use AI safely?
Use it to understand, not copy. Ask questions, verify results, and practice problems solving alongside AI. Okay. Question 7. What about privacy?
Privacy. I think don't input personal info. Always read terms of use and be aware that data may be used to train models. Wow, we have journeyed from the basic to future prediction, exploring risks, benefits, and fun stories. Right?
Yeah. If you stayed with us, congratulations! You are now ahead of most people in understanding generative AI.
The technology is powerful, but the real power is how humans use it.
Learn, explore, experiment responsibly, and embrace AI as a tool, not a replacement.
Yeah, so this is Hiruni and
Devindi,
signing off. Keep creating, keep questioning, and keep learning.
bye.